Tanya, check it out. Pine tree, about 50 feet from the house. The high wind knocked off the top of it, just snapped off like a twig. And here's the rest of it right here. Here it is. There we go. There's the rest of the pine tree. Let me see if I can walk along here. Ooh, crap. Well, safe to say we've got plenty of wood now. Walking along the pine tree that snapped off. There's some more. It actually knocked off that huge branch there, which belonged up there somewhere. High up, I can see just, I don't know if you could pick it up on the camera, but it came from all the way up there. And the rest of the debris, pine everywhere. Plenty of wood for a fire now, that's for sure. Well, let's hope no more trees fall down. Like that big mama jammer right there. Otherwise, Sushi and I are going to end up with a big old headache. Alright, see you later.